Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, is Temu safe to use? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just heard about Temu and you're amazed at how low some of these prices can be. Is it actually safe to use? Now with that being said, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first let's actually start off with Temu, and then I'll be going over my experience with Temu as well. So first thing that we have is the payment methods with Temu. So Temu, if you go into your payment methods, Temu actually uses safe protection features when it comes to protecting your credit card information. So as you can see, all your data is encrypted, it's secured, and it's uncompromised. They also follow the payment card industry data security standards, or PCI DSS, when handling card data. So I've had no problems inputting my payment information onto Temu, and everything has just been fine. Now, as far as my experience with Temu goes, you can see that I've already made a bunch of orders off of Temu, and I've had no problems with it. I've even been able to process a return, which was basically fulfilled very smoothly just because I wasn't too happy with the item. But that's normal with any, shopping or e-commerce website. But with Temu though, they do give you a 90-day return policy, and they usually give you a lot of time to actually return your items if you decide to change your mind later on. I've ordered a lot of simple use case items on Temu, and I've had no problems with them whatsoever. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and answer, is Temu safe to use? If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.